Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Okay, Kaizer Chiefs bafethu iyamdinga umfundo Vilakazi kakhulu futhi simbonile engenile izolo. Guess what? Immediately meqeda ukungena, few minutes later washaya iphasi elihle kakhulu. Ama-defenders angaliboni nalela phasi lathola ubani uMduduzi Shabalala, but-ke walinika ubani uDuplessis sibonile ukuthi wenzeni ihlazo bafethu. But uVilakazi bamdinga kakhulu bafethu ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Uyakwazi ukuconnecta nabo number 10. Sikhumbule ukuthi khona le goli leli lokuqala lakaSilva wakwazi ukuphasa lo Augustin Sirino singamboni, wamshaya ngephasi elihle, and then uGustin Sirino wa-assista-ke uLokhunjana uSilva laphana. So njalo uVilakazi mengena kuno-moment of magic, there's something iya-change complexion of the game overall laphana bafethu. But-ke ngifuna before ngingena koVilakazi nawo abanye, ngifuna ukuqala ku-coach eKaizer Chiefs ukuthi itheni after igame laphana, njengoba bebadlala ne-AS Simba yalaphana eCongo bafethu la badrowe khona 0-0. Ku-conference after igame uthi ucabanga ukuthi laphana first half babe nawo ama-opportunities awu-2 wokuthi bakore. Sikhumbule ukuthi uMaye ushaya ipali laphana, and-ke uthi-ke they were just unlucky ukuthi-ke one of those opportunities laphana ushaya i-crossbar, which is uKhanyisa Maye usho yena uthi nga-88 minutes futhi bekumele ngabe bakore. La ukhuluma nge-moment-ke kaDuplessis, hhayi noma kuthiwa abantu bayageja hhayi kanje. After i-combination le ngikhulume ngayo le kaVilakazi noLokhunjana noShabalala bafethu. Uthi u-coach uKaizer Chiefs uthi beba-unlucky overall. Uyasho ukuthi even though ipali beli-empty laphana bahlulekile ukukora, yeah, but it is what it is. But uthi bane-game plan, uthi ucabanga ukuthi hhayi i-game plan labo libasebenzele the way abamanaje khona ngakhona i-game first 45 minutes. But-ke uthi second half-ke babe ne-pace laphana, and babe nawo ama-opportunities awu-2 wokukora, but-ke they could not score. Kusho ukuthi inhlanhla beyingekho esayidini labo. Uma ngibheka i-Kaizer Chiefs, well, i-Kaizer Chiefs number 1 bengadlali second half idrobhile kakhulu bafethu, bekubonakala ngathi nje seyidlalela i-draw laphana, to be honest. But still they were better team compared to lawa Majita lawa overall. I don't think lawa Majita azokhosa i-havoc eDobsonville, but it's a game of football, you never know. So asibuyeleni kumfundo Vilakazi ukuthi udinga umfethu bafethu, hhayi badinga ukumtrusta more. In fact akusiwuye kuphela, Kaizer Chiefs badinga ukutrusta ama-youngsters more bafethu. Even nalaba bafana laba baku-DDC team bamele babatruste more. oHlongwane, uMabaso kumele babatruste more. oNkwesa khona, oManqoba baningi bafethu laba baloke bathi bayeza ku-first team, bayajima ne-first team-ke laba bawu-3 ababapromotile. Nabanye ngibone kule game le yeGomora nalo munye aba-few engingabazi, because i-DDC team I don't pay much attention kakhulu, but ngiyabazi aba-few. Babadlalisa ama-friendly games kuphela, ama-high profile friendly games against oSwelele, against oGomora United, but-ke u-first team abafana bekho. They need to trust abafana more. UVilakazi ngathi bamnika leso sikhala lesi esincane ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but guess what, njalo medlala umfana khona ispark, khona into eza nayo laphana. So kumele bamdlalise more. Kumele bangasabi ukudlalisa lese uVilakazi, bamdlalise noShabalala, or badlalise uVilakazi noGustin Sirino, because uyakwazi ukudlala no-number 10 beKaizer Chiefs, and uyakwazi uku-create ama-moments a-good overall. Yeah, udingeka more bafethu. uPeterson, another clean sheet, congratulations, but it was not really tested that much because of amajita lawo AS Simba bewashaya out of 18, so they didn't cause much havoc kuye laphana uPeterson, but another clean sheet iyabhalwa bafethu kuma-records. Yazi mangibheka i-situation yoVilakazi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, ngiyibheka kahle ukuthi okay uVilakazi i-game time yakhe akusiwuye kuphela, khona namanye ama-player amasha kumele ethole i-game time, but kubonakala ngathi ama-coach ngathi ayasaba ukuba-introduce abanye abantu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Asazi ukuthi why, but-ke it's not even just about ama-coaches overall. Laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs banenkinga yama-youngsters. I mean, I was watching uLokhunjana, uPhuso Lithejane, oNdamane, and then ngacabanga oHlongwane naboMabaso naboNkwesa naboManqoba laba engibabalile ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ba-produce like possibly the best talent in the country, but abafana babhiliveli kubo. Ayiqali manje futhi manje seyenzeka rough kakhulu because of lama-player ahambayo kwamanye ama-team afika adlale kahle. Ngibone nenye i-interview omunye akhuluma ngoHlongwane, i-strike naleli Hlongwane, ukuthi bazoyisola ku-Kaizer Chiefs, umfana uyogcina ehambe bangamdlalisanga, and then aye kwenye i-team guess what, enze kahle kakhulu bamfune back-ke, sebamfuna ngemali-ke manje sekumele bamthenge but babe naye sonke lesikhathi lesa but azange bayibona i-true value yakhe umfana laphana. But isithemba ukuthi they will try and improve bafowethu. But yazi I wish mina, what I wish for ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs iqale ivele izithi zisuka bafowethu, iqalise uVilakazi, iqalise uMdu, iqalise uGustin Sirino, ibeke uMayo laphana phambili. So uzobona-ke ama-opportunity azoba khona. Inga-focus ukuthi yeah, we have to be too defensive. Ama-team amaningi adlala i-low block kakhulu uma kudlala ne-Kaizer Chiefs. But-ke lapha sibonile ukuthi they were just there ukuthi bakwazi ukuthola i-draw or bawatholile ama-opportunities, they could have easily won the game, but mhloli iyenzeka-ke ebholeni bafethu, hhayi ngeke. Khona enye i-moment engiyibonile, I wanna go back somewhere ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ibheda kanjani in terms of ukusayina ama-play. But-ke okay, ngicela uyibeke kahle ngihloniphise ngoba ngizokhuluma ngomuntu omdala la. Mhlampe unamaphutha, uyaphazama uBobby Motaung. Wayekela ukusayina uMayele. Umayele in less than 2 months or so sewina ama-cup awu-3. Okay, 2 months, 3 months because of win i-CAF Champions League, ishaya i-Sundowns ngoJuni, wawina ngazi le yase-Arab la bebadlala ne-team yase-Middle East. Izolo uwine i-Super Cup yala e-Afrika, uye futhi okorile. I-player ila ofara ku-Kaizer Chiefs kwathiwa msayineni nangu uBobby, wathi hhayi ayikho indaba kalo. Manje wenze ey'bukwayo lena e-Afrika, mina i-striker khona i-moment ayi-create-ile bamnika ibhola, ushaya noma ku-tight angle, uyambona ukuthi u-hungry for ama-goals. Mhlampe u-Kaizer Chiefs baya-regret ukuthi bangamsayini umfana, and sikhumbule ukuthi umntana kaNabi lo bafowethu. So ku-Coach Nabi potentially-ke i-deal babangayizama if u-Coach Nabi bekhona, as much as like u-expensive, like just manje useka-expensive kakhulu, bengeke basakwazi ukumthola. But before bawina i-CAF Champions League bebangakwazi ukumthola, but manje hhayi sokunzima kakhulu imali ayiholayo. But-ke I wonder ubaba uBobby mebheka ambukela umfana ukuthi eyi ngamrejecta lo muntu lo, kuthiwa nangu ngamrejecta ngathi akekho good enough. Manje uwina u-Champions League, u-Super Cup, is the biggest striker on the continent overall. Ominye u-former player le-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu uBongani Semo ongadlalanga isizini yonke ku-Kaizer Chiefs, abamsayina from Orlando Pirates, baspenda ngathi 5 million or so bamsayina umfana. Hhayi yeah, amanye ama-signings we-Kaizer Chiefs ayasithusa bafethu, because khona i-signing kufana nale kaMorris ngihlezi ngikhuluma ngayo, bavele bakusayinela i-player just for the sake of ukusayina i-player. Umuntu ongeke adlale isizini yonke, ongeke a-contribute lutho-ke noma kuthiwa bamnika i-opportunity ukuthi adlale. USemo-ke u-Kaizer Chiefs yasazange ayithole i-opportunity ukuthi adlale, and wasayina what, i-3-year contract. Bekumele bambhaye out of i-contract yakhe, bamnike ama-millions, more than $1 million ukuthi akwazi ukuhamba. Manje utrainer ne-Chippa United uzama ukuthola i-team mfowethu, kunzima. Khona la kuyazama khona azange ayithole i-deal, manje selaphana ku-Chippa United. Kuthiwa una-2 weeks laphana ku-Chippa United ezama inhlanhla ukuthi athole i-contract laphana. Simfisela inhlanhla mfowethu ukuthi izinto zakhe zimhambele kahle. Akukho mnandi ukubona amanye ama-former players thola ukuthi awasenawo ama-team, because kunzima like ukuhandlela izinto without i-team. Kumnandi mawudlala une-contract, but once wangabi ne-contract, and then it's a different ball game. But yeah, simfisela inhlanhla uBongani Semo. But what I wanna say ukuthi, I mean, the way abasayina Kaizer Chiefs basayina ama-player maningi ama-player abawasayinile. So ukusayina kwala ma-player lawa bekumele adlale, athole ama-opportunities, right? But guess what, awawatholi ama-opportunities overall lama-player lawa. Awakawatholi, asazi ukuthi bazowa-unleash-a nini, bazobanika nini abafana ama-opportunities overall, because I think it makes sense if ama-player wawathola ama-opportunities based on ukuthi currently team yenza kahle, idlala kahle kakhulu. Because i-Kaizer Chiefs manje bafethu how many, is it 3 games bangawina? Si-win sokunesikhashana, cause bagcina ukuwina nini, bagcina ukuwina ku-continental level la bawina khona ngama-penalty. Ku-open play straight, because of babashaya away babuya bawina, kusho ukuthi bekuyi-draw vele igame yakhona, i-1-1 draw. So yeah, baku-run engekho right overall laphana, but Yeah man, let's hope bazofunda abovele baye bazokwazi ukuba khona nabo bakwazi ovele baye bafuthu ucontribute to ilokhu njani i-success ye-Kaizer Chiefs or isizini engaba ngconywana kakhulu laphana. And yeah, ucoach naye ushilo ukuthi uzokwazi uvele baye uzokwazi ukubasiza laphana when he's given an opportunity to play. Into engiyibuza yona ukuthi basabani bangaba-unleash ovele bayo oBatman obo-Ighodaro balindeni kulindweni ngempela kulindwe 12 or uNewy, hhayi bafowethu. But yeah, i-return leg izoba interesting because Kaizer Chiefs iyawafuna ama-results but konke kulele ema-coachini ukuthi bazodlalisa obani. Danko bafowethu, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, is making sure ukuthi le page lifika ku-15,000 subscribers. Danko.